Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Errors. Today, I'm experiencing another crazy error on my Windows PC. I'm in my Microsoft Office Word application right now, and if you see, this is pretty odd. There's no icon, there's no menu bar, there's no ribbon there. I see nothing. It is just a blank sheet, and I see no options, no menus. If you're experiencing a problem like that, this video is for you because we're going to find a solution to this problem within a minute or maybe two. If I close this application and bring it up again, hit on blank document, I see no menu again. So it is just not a temporary problem. It is a problem either within this application or we just changed some settings and that created this situation for us. So to fix this problem, navigate to the right side top corner where the X button is. Before the X button, there are tiny 3 dots. If you click on them, boom, you see the whole ribbon with the menu bar right there. However, this problem is not fixed yet, so don't get too excited. If you close this application and bring it up again, blank document again, we have no ribbon, no menu bar again here. So click on those 3 tiny dots at the right side again. Then there's a tiny arrow which is pointing down in the same section at the corner of this ribbon on the right side. And if you click on this icon, we see some options right here. And the problem, we cannot see the menu bar or the ribbon is all because of this, which is checked. Full screen mode. We are in full screen mode in the Word, which is not letting us see anything like that. So first of all, we need to disable that. Click on Always Show Ribbon. Now, if we close Word and bring it up again, blank document, we have our ribbon menu bar right there, no problem. Additionally, a lot of users also add a quick access toolbar at the top of their Word applications. Enable that toolbar in your Word application. Once again, go to the tiny arrow which is pointing down and then click on this option, Show Quick Access Toolbar. Now at the very top, if you notice, there are some shortcuts like save, undo, redo. We have the font color option there, so there are plenty of options. Also, this quick access toolbar can be customized through the tools option. This is it. That's how you can fix this problem, and there is no menu bar in your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Publisher, any Microsoft Office application. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for the future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. You're watching Crazy Errors. Have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.